Hey there, it's Ron, and I've got today's home insurance tip from Insurance for Texans. When we talk to people about their home insurance policy, one of the things we always talk about is the dwelling value. It's the very first number we calculate when we're putting a home policy together, and that is the amount of money that you have to rebuild your home in the event of a total loss. And oftentimes that number is much bigger than folks think their house is worth. And so the question that comes up repeatedly is, do I have to rebuild, or can you just give me that amount of money? And the answer is yes, with a caveat, which is what we always say at Insurance for Texans when people are asking us for black and white answers. So the first piece of it is, can you take the money rather than rebuilding? And the answer is 100% yes, you can take the money without rebuilding. Now, here's where the caveat comes in that affects you, the homeowner. You will be paid an amount that is equivalent to the actual cash value of your home. So if your home is 2,000 square feet and your dwelling value is rated at $250,000, they're going to take that replacement cost and then they're going to apply a factor based on the age of your home and some other criteria that's going to actually reduce that number down. So you may not actually get the full 250. You say, Ron, that's okay. I'll take a lesser amount. Here's where you've got to think all the way through the process. When you take the money, you are now responsible for clearing the land and making sure that there are no code violations in that. You are responsible to satisfy your debts if you have a mortgage or another lien on the home. You are also not going to be able to access the loss of use coverage on your home, so you've got to pay to live someplace else while you're doing all this, and then you're responsible for reselling the land. Oftentimes, after you take in all of those factors, the amount of money that's going to go into your pocket is substantially less than what you expect based off of that dwelling number. So how can you get around it? What we typically recommend is you go ahead and let your insurance company rebuild the property. Leverage the loss of use to live someplace while the land is being cleared, the home is being rebuilt. You don't actually have to take possession and move in. But generally speaking, if you've got a 2,000 square foot brand new house in a neighborhood that you are reselling to someone else, you are going to recoup far greater money than you would if you just take the cash and start chipping away at the amount of money, including the amount you owe to your mortgage company if you do owe. So you have to think all the way through the process, not just at that first line item. That's today's home insurance tip. If you are at all interested in looking at what an independent insurance agency can do for you with your home, give us a call at Insurance for Texans, 469-789-0220, and let us see how we can help you navigate the complex process that is home insurance.